In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use a really easy to use and powerful mockup generator for devices such as iPhones, iMacs, MacBooks or Windows laptops. Now you'll see on screen I am going to use mockuphone. I'll show you an example of the sort of thing I use this to create. So you'll see here I've got one of my YouTube video thumbnails, and what I've done is I've taken a screenshot of Microsoft Word and I've used mockuphone to put the background onto this particular device, this computer. What's really good is it's super easy to use. It produces a lovely transparent image, so you have the image plus you have nothing in the background, so it essentially cuts the phone or the device out, and it looks really nice and clear. The best bit is it's completely free to use. Now I've used multiple different tools over time, and I found that often they're either limited, so you can only download a certain amount of images for free, or they just don't really work too well. This is without a shadow of a doubt the best application I've found, aside from probably using something like Photoshop. So if you're looking for an online tool to create device mockups using your screenshots, mockuphone is absolutely fantastic, and I'll show you in this tutorial how to use it. So we're going to create something like this with a MacBook Pro, and I'll also show you how you can create a mobile phone, so like an iPhone mockup as well. Now, as I said, it's mockuphone.com. You'll see in the link in the description a link to this particular site. But the first thing I want to do is I want to create a phone mockup. So I'm going to click where it says iPhone 12 because I'm actually using an iPhone 12 myself. But it's important to make sure that you pick the phone that suits where your screenshot's coming from. So if you've taken a screenshot on an iPhone 6, for example, then you want to try and find an iPhone 6 device mockup to use so that the screen sizing is correct. But I'll click on iPhone 12, and then you'll see it will load lots of different variations of the iPhone 12. So we have the iPhone 12 here, and you'll see if I scroll down we have the iPhone 12 mini, and then we've got the black version, we have a blue version, green, red, and we've got white. And then if I scroll further, we've also got the iPhone 12 Pro and the Pro Max. Beyond that we have the SE, and there's other devices here as well. So there are quite a lot. Now you'll see if I scroll to the top of the page, we can select if it's an Android device or even wearables like iWatches and things. So there's various filter options here, but I'll scroll back down and I'll stick with the iPhone 12 mini, which is the same as my device. I'm going to keep it simple and go for black, so I'll click on the Pick It button. And then all it asks me to do is to upload my image. Now it gives you sizes, so it tells you this is the recommended sizes for your image, and it tells you also that it supports JPEG, PNG and Photoshop files. I'm going to go to Browse Files, and I've got a couple of files already on my desktop that I'm going to use. So for this one we're going to use a screenshot of Instagram from my mobile phone that I've transferred to my MacBook, and I'm going to bring this one in. So I'll click Open. It'll work its magic. It tells you up here that it is uploading the file, and then what happens is this Generate Product Mockups button appears. I'm going to click on that one, and this will now generate the proper mockup for me, and then it will allow me to download this to my computer. So this bit doesn't take long at all. In fact, you'll see it is now finished, and all I need to do is click Download My Mockups. You will get a pop-up there for a subscription. It's up to you if you do want to subscribe, but you'll see what happens is a zip folder is created. This one's already unzipped, and we basically have two different device pictures. So we have a landscape and a portrait. So if I double click on this one, you'll see we have a portrait, and we basically have this transparent image of the iPhone 12 mini in black. So everything which is grey on the outside will not appear. So this is perfect for using on YouTube thumbnails or designs for your website. And you'll see we've also got the landscape version as well. So of course, if you're using the landscape, you'll want to make sure that your screenshot that you've taken on your phone is indeed in landscape. So this would work well for like a movie sequence or something like that. Now allow me to show you how to create a mockup for something like a laptop or a tablet. I'm going to go in where it says other laptop phones, tablets and wearables. From here I'm going to choose computer just at the top, and then I'm going to choose MacBook Pro. So you see we have a couple of variations here. I'm going to choose this MacBook Pro, which is 13 inch, this one here. I'll choose Pick It. And then once again, I need to upload my screenshot. So I'm going to go to Browse Files, and I have a desktop image of Instagram here, which I'm going to click Open for. And again, that one will be uploaded. And then all I need to do is wait until the Generate Product Mockups button turns black, which it now has, and we know it's confirmed because we have the little tick here next to our image. I'll click on the button. It will generate the mockup, and it's not going to take long, much like the phone. It just takes a couple of seconds, and then all I need to do is then download it, and I'll be able to open that mockup. So we've now completed our mockup. I just need to click download. It's going to create the zip folder like it did before, and you will see we have the file here. So we have a really nice high quality cutout and mockup of a MacBook Pro device here with my screenshot on the back. So just to summarise, Mockuphone is a really powerful and well worthwhile tool. The fact that it's completely free to use and it allows you to create these high quality mockups definitely makes it a win-win for me. I like the fact it's very quick and easy to use. There's not too much going on, there's a couple of options, and the fact that it gives you a portrait and a landscape variation for your mobile phone images. Just make sure to take the screenshot and match it up with the device where you've taken your screenshot from. You can try other devices, but I've found in the past that sometimes it doesn't look exactly like you would like it to look. I also like the fact there's a variety of other devices such as laptops, phones, tablets and wearables. And as I said at the beginning, of all the different tools I've used and searched for, this is without a doubt the best one that I've found. And it is a lot easier actually than using something like Photoshop to create this. And it's perfect if you don't have access to something like Photoshop anyway. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please do give it a like, and feel free to comment below if there are any other tools that you use that you think rival this or you'd like to share with other people. Or if you're having any problems using it, do let me know and I'll be able to offer you some advice. As with all of my other videos, you're more than welcome to view those on Microsoft Word, Instagram, Adobe Spark and other tutorials. And of course, if you want to, you're welcome to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you're notified about any future releases. But thanks again for watching this video.